Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello everybody, we are on the broker. Today we have a weekends, so all currency pairs is OTC status. So let's work with $1,000 today. Is OTC have a higher payout percentage. And so let's begin, guys. Let's begin. So yeah, OTC market. Let's choose the indicators. We're gonna need some indicators to trading, right? So in order to increase the chance for success on binary options. So let's consider two indicators. The first one is gonna be RSI, and there it is. It's located in the lower part of the chart. So we're gonna trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual, guys, and I'll demonstrate you the most relevant settings. Let's select it. First of all, we see the set. Now we set the period to 5 here, and that's it. That's all. We don't need to change something else. So let's take a look at the indicators itself. We see the green moving average here, and there is also these numbers. The upper one is the overbought zone, right? And it means that if the moving average crosses the level, then then the price is in the overbought zone. And overall, after this move, the RSI has to go down. So that happens most of the time, and there is a lower number, the level 30. This is the oversold zone. And when the RSI turns down in this zone, it tends to go to the upside. This is the main principle of its work, and we also have the level 50 here. This is the middle value, and when the RSI is above this level, it indicates that the uptrend prevails. And when the RSI is below 50, then it tells us that the downtrend dominates. So easy as that, guys. Simply as that. Basically, on a 1 minute time frame, the level 50 is not that important, right? So we could add one more RSI, I guess, and set the period to 20. There we go, and now it becomes clearer. So when the RSI is above the level 50, it indicates that the price has the upward dynamics. When the RSI is below, it indicates the downward dynamics. So I think you got it, guys. Take notes, remember that more or less. So let's eventually set period to 5. Well, the period 5 shows us different market noises, which help us to have a more accurate trade entries. And let's move on to second indicator, guys. It's gonna be Bollinger Bands, right? Bollinger Bands, and basically the combination of these two indicators is a very good trading strategy, guys. Remember and believe me. So basically there are special settings for 1 minute time frame. So let's put the period 30 to 30 and deviation to 2. And now I'm gonna explain to you why. If you look at this price zone, we see that the price goes beyond the boundaries of the Bollinger Bands. So that what is exactly? Let's figure out. The Bollinger Bands consist of the upper moving average, the lower one, and the middle moving average, which is the Bollinger Band itself. So there is moving average are similar to the ones that the RSI has. And why we use these settings? Why we set the period to 30 and deviation to 2? Because guys, when you analyze the chart and look for the trade entry, we need the price to move within this channel all the time. Of course, a few candles can break through, but no more than the 5% of them. And as you can see, there more than 95% of candles are inside the channel. And here we see several wicks, Mr. Wicks that broke through. But these are exceptions. So we trade on the 1 minute time frame. We have the best settings for it, believe me. So I've explained all the details of the indicator settings. So how can we determine trade entries? We're gonna look at the RSI and Bollinger Bands. So we're gonna look at them, right? When there's the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. Now we consider the situation when opening long. So the touch of the lower boundary of the channel is gonna be the first signal. Now when we see the touch right here, I mean the crossing of the level 30 takes place, the oversold zone, and the breakout to the upside. This is the second signal, guys. So let me point out again, this is the first one and this is the second one. When you see something like that, you must open long position without second thought. And you can see that on the chart the touch has happened, the price started going up, and look at these green candles. They're on 1 minute candles, and we open on 1 minute time, on 1 minute position, right? So this pump latest 3 minutes, guys, and I want you understand that if we open along here, we would be in a profit. So let's consider the short position option. I'll point out the work space, of course. So here the touch of the upper boundary did happen, and this is the signal number uno, right? Basically we see the whole picture like instantly. The moving average crosses the level 70, is the overbought zone, so the crossing top down, and this is the signal number dos, second signal. And basically you should realize that if we open a short here, the price goes downwards. Look at these 4 candles. Let me put 4 minutes of downward movement, and we have to open short here. So pay attention, guys. We open on a 1 minute time frame, and basically we would be in profits again. Like you see, the strategy is very simple, and let's put our theoretical knowledge into practice, right? I get 1000 on the balance, and let's open several positions. I'm gonna demonstrate this strategy in use. So yeah, let's start. Alright guys, let's analyze and let's open deals. Right, you're right. Let's open here long position. So long position, I'll point out the workspace as usual. Actually the touch hasn't happened here yet. This is not quite accurate trade entry. Okay, basically there is the first signal on the other side. The price is getting out of the oversold zone. There it is, the breakout from the bottom up. Here we see a nice correction, and basically considering the nature of the price movement, we can consider that the price reversal did happen here, as well as the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. And this is the second signal, guys. Actually, this one is not 100% reliable, but still we watch the RSI, the price dynamics, and open long. And we're gonna wait for the outcome. Like you see, as you see, the price has been closed in profits right now. Pretty easy. For the first position on the 1 minute time frame, we opened correctly and we are in a profit. And the candle reached this level, and overall the touch of the lower boundary should eventually happen. But anyway, we opened correctly based on the signals, and this is the benefit of trading on the 1 minute time frame. So pretty easy. The price has gone down here, Let me show you. So the price has gone down. However, we're in the profits. Let's open a few more positions in order to consolidate our profit, find the next currency pair, and continue. Look, we open a short position here. Why? Here we see clear signal, the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. So this is the first one, and there is the crossing of the overbought zone on the other side from the top down, and this is the signal to open a short position according to the strategy, right? So let's wait for the outcome. We have our two signals for that, signal dos and signal uno. So let's wait for the outcome. There are 15 seconds left, so let's wait. And basically we already see a good breakout, less than 10 seconds, guys. Come on, come to Papa. And as you see, the position is in profit. Nice. Now we're in the profits. Actually, it was decided here. We got two signals, as I said. We opened the position according to my strategy, right? And the position is in profits. Let's open the final position in order to consolidate today's gains. Let's continue analyzing. So take a look, guys. We should open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace and explain the principle of the trade and entry, right? Look, the touch of the lower boundary of the channel has happened here. This is the signal number uno. If we look at the other side, the crossing of the oversold zone from bottom up has happened, which is the signal number dos, right? So we're noticing the signals. Let's wait for the outcome. And yeah, let's see what do we got. 15 seconds left. Like you see, guys, the breakout has eventually happened at the end. The position is in profits. Now you see a nice pump here. Meanwhile, there was that nice correction. The strategy did not disappoint, right? And there was the crossing here, the touch of the boundary, and the position is in profits. So it took us like 3 trades to get $2,520 in profits. And as you see, it's not a trick. I'm clear. Only just justify signals in strategy. So look at this nice pump here. Even if we open a little bit later, we would end up in profits anyway. Let's get down to withdraw, my favorite part of every video. I'm gonna withdraw the profit, 2,520, right? Press the continue button. As simple as that. I'll attach the screen where it's done, and like I said, guys, practice it, experience, repeat after me, notice every detail of my video. You will practice it, you will get it, and you will get a lot of money, a lot of profit, because this is the market, and if you knew how to trade, you are the boss of the market. So thank you for watching. You saw how the strategy is working. You can try it by yourself easily, very easily. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and descriptions. Don't forget about the Telegram channel waiting for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.